So I'm going to demonstrate the more traditional way on how to attach your water hose to your outboard without a disconnect, which requires twisting this hose into this thread, which with a strong hose like this, it requires a lot of twisting. You'll get kinks in your line and a lot of headaches along the way. So what you would do is, what I like to do is I like to turn it counterclockwise, basically spring up or coil it up. See, there are the kinks I'm talking about, right? And then let's say you can find the thread matches up perfectly. A lot of times you're standing on your outboard or your boat, you're looking down. Right now, I have the boat out of the water and I'm standing. This makes it actually not too difficult to do, but you find the thread. Hopefully it's, all lined up nicely and greased up. And now we're rotating it in, which, takes more time. It's just, got to spin the whole hose around to make sure it lines up pretty. And now we're connected. We'll start with the hose. Like I mentioned, your O-rings inside here, you'll slip that inside there. And then what you'll do is connect this piece here by itself. So forget about your gray piece for now. And you'll tighten that right onto your water hose, okay? So right there, the housing. It's spring loaded and you'll see why in a moment. You'll take the gray piece and you'll go ahead and you'll thread that into your outboard, right? Hand tight, just like that. Then now we'll demonstrate the quick connect feature, right? So all you have to do is, this is fastened here. This is fastened here. You would just come over here and snap it in. You heard it click there perhaps. And then now that's not going anywhere until you actually intend for it to get disconnected. So with all the water pressure in there, you might think it's gonna shoot itself off. It won't. That's what it's connected. So then when you're all finished, you could just come down here and disconnect it. No need to turn the water off at the hose. This blocks the water from coming out. This piece attached to your outboard, you can leave it in there if you want. If you know you're gonna be flushing it again recently, does no harm to the boat if you wanna just leave it in. But just to demonstrate how quickly it is to remove it, you would just counterclockwise and then go ahead and put your cap back on. That's all there is to it. Just a simple tool that can help save you a lot of time and convenience when you're out on the water, or depending on where your dock's located, or when you're washing up your boat at the dock at the end of the day, or the boat ramp. Just makes things a little bit easier for you. Thanks for watching, and see you guys soon.